Okay, so here's a torque wrench disassembled. So here, this is the part that goes onto your socket, or the socket goes onto this. And this goes in the head. Now, if you look, this has a whole bunch of teeth in it, and that's where this mechanism goes to decide if you're locking it to go forward or reverse. So here's a little cap that goes on the top there. Now there's a pin here that this sleeve will go over the whole thing, then this pin locks it into place. So this is just the outer piece here that goes to the handle. So this is what we're really interested in though. This is the inner workings. So this comes down here, and if you notice, it has that little notch in it. And so that notch is what's locking up with this as you're turning the torque wrench. Here's a little plastic piece, probably why this one was broken. Okay, and then the spring here. So this is what you're doing to measure the torque, is depending on how much pressure is on the spring. That's how you are setting the torque rating. Then at the end, there's this little, looks like a little quarter. Pushing up on that, and then these were on the end of that thread as well. Now, these threaded inside of here, as you can see where it's still threaded. There was one more roll pin here to take out, but it doesn't go all the way through. And so then here's the handle. And inside, when you turn this back and forth, that's how you're locking and unlocking it so that you can twist it. So this is just a cap that goes on the very bottom of it. So that's what a torque wrench looks like on the inside. So pretty cool.